Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning SEO. In this video, we are going to discuss keyword research and analysis. Keyword research and analysis is a high return activity and an important part of the SEO. Right keywords can place your websites on the first pages of search results, and irrelevant keywords can increase the gap between users and your website. Keyword research and analysis enables you to identify the information your targeting audience is searching and the keywords they are using for their queries. They are researching and analyzing the keyword demand you not to get only the irrelevant terms and phrases for the SEO, but also understand the users in a better way. It helps you to build a better website with relevant keywords and phrases. Your web page has to compete with millions of web pages to achieve the higher ranking. So optimizing your content by incorporating the right keywords in the pages is necessary for SEO practice. If you are not using the right keywords, your websites might never be on the first page of your search results. So the question is how to find the suitable keywords. So let's discuss. Before using the keyword research tools, you need to understand your product or services and the target audience. If you know your product or services in a better way, you can create better keywords. The next step is to access the value of keyword. To access the value of your keyword, you can follow the steps described below. First one is few questions. Ask yourself a few questions such as, it is a keyword relevant to your content? Will the visitor get the right information with this keyword? Will this traffic increase revenue? If the answer to these questions is yes, then the keyword is full of value. Next is search the given keywords in a major search engines. In this step you will get to know about the other websites which already rank for your keyword. It will happen your understanding about the competition and tell you how hard or easy it will be ranking for the given keyword or phrase. And the next one is buy sample campaign. You can buy a sample campaign at Google AdWords like Bing, Ad Center, etc. Will get test traffic which you can direct to your web pages and see how many of them click and how much time they spend on your web pages. It will tell you either you need to change your keyword or you can continue with that keyword. So this is all about keyword research and analysis and how you can find a suitable keyword for your website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.